All right.
Is it working?
I guess so. All right. We're just doing a pretty quick little carpet job. We're using the Ryobi sprayer on this one. We're using the Challenger pad and pad drivers. So that's what we're going to have on our machine. And I'm just going to show this one room. We're doing part of a house, but there's people home still lounging around, so we're not going to try to video anything but here. But I'll put in the video description links to all the stuff we're doing and anything that I think you guys want to know about. I'll give you a link for the sprayer. We're not affiliates for Home Depot, which is where you get these, so it's not an affiliate link. But I always mark them if they're affiliate links. They say paid link, and if they don't say paid link, then they're not affiliate links. And I'll give you the information how to get a hold of Corey Thibodaux. He's a Challenger dealer that can get you the pad and pad driver for work machines and things. So anyway, now these carpets are pretty worn.
Yeah, they're
older.
worn. The funny thing is, the customer, he left and told us just do your best, and he already gave us a $40 tip in advance.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's mighty decent. And he knows we're going to just do what we can, and no guarantees.
Yeah.
So he's a good customer.
We'll see how it goes. There's some stuff in the carpet that looks like it may not come out, and they are kind of old and worn. So.
So the customer's nice, and he gave us he said, how long are you guys going to be here? And I said, 20 or 25 minutes. And he said, okay, and he paid me, and he gave me $40 extra. I was like, so he paid us $40 for an extra, you know, to be on a job 25 minutes when we already charged him a fair amount of money to be here at all. So these are the few kind of customers that come along that you just love dearly. There's not enough of them. But he's a nice guy, and he thinks of paying people for what they do. Yeah, there's lots of little stuff in here that's permanent.
Well, you only can do so much with some carpets, you know. Just do the best you can.
All the dirt will come out, but there's permanent little stains that are, who knows, that could be mascara, motor oil, who knows, whatever got spotted down. But I told the customer up front, there's things that may not come out. He didn't care. He just said, just do your best. They said, okay.
Yeah. We've actually been enjoying these bonnets so far.
Oh yeah, the Challenger bonnets and the Challenger pad driver are excellent.
Yeah.
If you don't have them, you need them.
Yeah. Now that we used just a regular work standard issue bonnets for a long time, and
yeah,
they actually work fine. You can make a ton of money with them. If you do want to try some of these other bonnets, you're going to have to upgrade to, you're either going to have to modify a pad driver, or you're going to have to upgrade and get something like the Challenger pad driver. And honest truth, I recommend just get the Challenger pad driver because you can just have a ready to go solution out of the box.
Well, up to now, the people that sell Velcro, we've talked to people, like if they say the Velcro works for 2 weeks and quit sticking.
Yeah,
There's
that's the
people
problem.
that sell Velcro, but you don't want to mess with that.
We haven't had to mess with this, and we've used it quite a bit, and it's been great.
Challenger has a really good Velcro. I don't know where they get it, but it's good and it works. But the people selling Velcro, I wouldn't trust that. I've heard stories.
Well, we've tried a bunch of different types of Velcro, and
Velcro is
it just wears out. What happens is it starts to clog up, and then things won't stick anymore, and the little hooks loosen up and get weaker over time, and the next thing you know, nothing sticks. And
well, I'll tell you a secret.
when these bonnets get wet, they get heavy.
If you use bonnets that are ridged, you know, that have ridges in them, those ridges will put stuff, all kinds of fiber into your Velcro. The fat bonnets that have no ridges on them, they're the least likely ones to shed any kind of fiber into your Velcro pad driver. So stick to the fat bonnets as best you can. The 50-50 cotton polyester bonnets, they're the best. They really are. You get the best bang for the buck with them, and you get the best feeling with them too.
Check the video description. I'll give you the information there so you can order the products. And we really like the sprayer. It's kind of quiet, so I don't know if you could even hear it was running, but
no, it's very quiet. It's not intrusive whatsoever.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
And the carpet's still wet, so it got it wet. We got 2 other rooms to do, but we're not going. One person's in there playing Xbox or something. We're not going to interrupt that. And then another person is I mean, the other room is just so small. I'm only going to take 40 seconds.
Get my game on while you're doing all that.
Yeah.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. We're going to pretty much end it here. It's not a very big video, but it's enough to get the But easy, simple. That sprayer is better. It's easier than pumping up a sprayer.
If you want to, you can back and show it. Just
it's okay.
one more room just for fun.
No. Check the video description for links, and hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.